Today we're going to put these doors on the cabinet. Let's see if they'll actually fit in some things. With room to do some trimming. Because here we're going to have to trim some off here.
How are they going to stay closed? What's the plan there?
I haven't got a plan for that yet. I've got these handles we're going to put here.
Right.
The hinges. I think I've got to replace these here.
Okay.
They're not thick enough.
Oh, I see.
See? That's why I got them other two boards there. We're going to take these corners off, take these off. Use the same thickness of boards in front here. We'll have to trim that. We'll just overlap it.
Okay.
I want to leave some gap at the bottom. So I think I'm going to cut a ½ inch off both of these.
Okay.
And then we'll have, in case this floor heaves a bit, we'll have room to open it and close it.
Right. Top or bottom?
Just wanted to see how bad it was. Easier to cut it off than add it again.
I don't know how you would add it again. Not without a lot of glue. I can't see you doing that anyway. You'd go, all right, starting over.
Yeah, probably. They're just vertical slats. I didn't record it because it's pretty simple. You just make sure they're square. You measure the opening, and I made it the same size as opening, and then I just made sure the boards worked out good. That one board was the center, and I just trimmed both ends so it kind of looks even. And that's all it is.
You chamfered the braces there?
Yeah, I just chamfered them just to make sure they weren't going to hit each other when they closed. But I had enough gap, but it's a lot easier to do it beforehand than try to do it afterwards.
It looks good.
Well, that'll give me room too if the floor heaves a bit. So.
Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen here.
We don't.
We dropped to -40. Who knows what's going to happen in here?
You don't know. They give us some gap.
Right.
Very small head on them. So it's better to either you clip them off.
Just basically pull it right through the piece of wood.
Right.
Okay.
It just prevents it from
Leaving
chewing up the front.
Leaving a bigger hole.
Yep.
So, new purchase. So 4 inches come to what? About 20 bucks?
Yeah, they were $3.95 a piece and then taxes. And
Yada yada. So say $5. We're still well under 1,500 bucks.
yeah, we're still doing good, I think.
Yeah, we don't count the purchase of the wood stove.
So we're drilling, so the screws go right into this piece here. So
Go into your brace. I get you.
yeah, so
I get you.
it's as strong as possible. You just try and even the hinge pin up about halfway either way.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not critical, but it's. Just do one again. So in case we have to adjust it, we can still adjust it. I wonder if we should have them. Just
Yep. Those little butterfly things?
Little butterfly things that'd probably be the cheapest thing to keep.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's just
just do a couple of them.
Yeah, and then you can open and close them because it's right up top, eh?
Yeah.
Actually, I think all you probably need is one anyway.
I think I might even have some of them, but.
Well, if you got to check your tickle trunk there to see what you got squirreled away.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got something squirreled.
So you're not going to put the other screws in the hinges until after you've got both doors in?
I want to get both doors on first.
Exactly where you had it placed?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's funny.
Well, you have a good accurate eye. Yeah, it looks good. Nice and flat and even. It does. It looks good.
Okay.
Hey, it's a pallet wood cabin. What do you want?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I think we're good.
Okay.
I don't know what they're technically called, but.
So they're not called wing nuts then? Just
No.
some other. Well, they remind me of butterflies, so I call them butterflies.
Yeah.
It's probably incorrect. I'm sure somebody knows what they're called. Where are you putting them? Higher. There you go.
Right about there?
Yep.
That's the thing. It'll look better.
Mm-hmm. I like the look of those.
They're some of my first ones. They're not the fanciest. They're not the best. Need some more. Need some more work.
Well, if you want more practice, we got a kitchen full of those
Yeah, I don't think you want these. I don't think they go with our kitchen, do they?
Why not? Black and white.
Maybe.
We got paper towel holder. That's the same stuff. And
Nice bowlers, eh?
you know, I like the look of these better than.